What's up guys, I'm Akila. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look using only Colourpop, which isn't far-fetched for me because all I use is Colourpop. I think most of my collection consists of Colourpop. When I was preparing to do this video, I thought it would be pretty cool to like take an inventory of what I have. So here it is on this little paper. I'm gonna tell you, I have 7 lippy sticks, 16 Super Shock shadows, 5 Super Shock highlighters. I have 5 of them. I have 2 of these loose highlighters, 30 lipsticks and lip glosses. This is just like one drawer of 16, and 7 eyeshadow palettes. And I will be showing you my eyeshadow palettes and which ones are my favorite. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, please keep on watching. I've been planning on sitting down to record this video for, well, since I started this channel, I've been trying to do a Colourpop video. Every time I sat down to do it, I felt like Colourpop released something else that I needed to have. So this time around is no different. Colourpop recently released primers and fixing spray, but I don't have it for this video, so I'm gonna just use the primer that I normally use and move right along. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Colourpop pencil in Bangin' Brunette. This is the pencil that I always use to do my eyebrows. To neaten up my brows, I'm going to use the Colourpop concealer in Dark 42. This color is closer to my skin complexion. I also like to take their concealer in Deep 46 before I put on my foundation and put it in like spots that I have acne marks. This color is a little bit darker than me and it has a little bit of a peachy undertone, so I like to put this on before I put on my foundation. Now we're going to move on to foundation. Colourpop recently released their own line of foundations. I'm in the shade Dark 65. With this foundation, I like to use my brush to get more coverage. Okay, now to conceal under my eyes, I start with Dark 42. And to add a little bit of brightness, I like to use the concealer in Medium Dark 36, and I add that under my eyes and then I blend that in. Colourpop released their own range of setting powders, but until I finish this Sacha Buttercup, I'm not buying any more setting powders. To contour, I'm going to use another concealer in Rich 56, I believe, and I'm gonna put it in all the places I could like to contour. I'm going to use Colourpop's bronzer in Rodeo Drive. Okay, now we can move on to eyeshadow. I have 8 of their eyeshadow palette. One of the palettes is one of these magnetic palettes where you could put different eyeshadows in here and you can mix and match. I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorites that I think you should buy. You should definitely buy the Makeup Shayla palette. It's beautiful and it also has a mirror. The Double Entendre palette, this one is amazing. Look at the colors in here. The Give It To Me Straight palette, this one is really nice too. Bomb. And this one's really pretty as well. This one came out during the holidays. I don't know if it's still in stock. So yeah, most of their palettes range between $12 to $20. I'm going to use the Double Entendre palette today. I'm going to use Nip Slip for my crease. Well, not really my crease, as my transition shade. Now I'm gonna add the color Teddy Bear in my crease. And I'm gonna blend both of those in with the shade Hard. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the color Teddy Bear. And then I'm gonna take Hard to blow it out. And then for my lid, I'm gonna be using this rose gold color right here, and it's called Draft. And then I'm gonna go back in and blend that out. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my eyeshadow look, and I put on some lashes. I can't leave this little eyeshadow segment without mentioning Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows. These are amazing. It's more like a wet eyeshadow. I'll go ahead and leave you guys a swatch. They're $5, and if you see a color that you like, which I'm pretty sure you will, go ahead and get your hands on some of these. These are really good. Okay, now I'm going to move on to blush. My favorite blush from them is in this little compact from the Eva collection, and it has a nice little peachy blush and a golden highlighter. The blush isn't really a bright, strong color. It's really light, so if you're darker than me, I'm not too sure how this color will work out on you. But a darker blush that I do have that's very pretty if you like pink blushes is this one. This one is called, shit, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm guessing the name is on the back of the pan, but I'll leave it down below, or I'll leave it on the screen when I figure out what's the name of it. Now for highlighter, Colourpop makes highlighters like their like the Super Shock eyeshadows. These are called Super Shock Cheeks. I'm going to use their highlighter in the color Parasoul. And to add a little more oomph to this highlighter, I'm going to use the Colourpop and Makeup Shayla highlighter. This one is a loose highlighter, so it comes with a little sifter at the top. I'm gonna add that on top. I just wanted a little more gold. Now we can move on to lips. Okay, for lip liner, I'm going to use Colourpop's lip liner in BFF2 and line my lips. It's a very pretty shade, but I feel like if you're darker than me, try BFF2, which is more of like it's a little more brown than this, because I feel like it kind of matches my lip color, so you can't really see it sometimes when you put a color on top. When it comes to Colourpop's lip products, I have a problem with that too. These are all liquid matte shades. This is like 16 in here. This is a few glosses and a few of their satin lips, and this is about 16 of them in here as well. In today's tutorial, I'm going to use 951, which is in collaboration with I Love Sarahi. Colourpop also has lipsticks. These are called their Luxe lips. They come in a nice rose gold packaging. I'm gonna add a bit of Quickie, which is from the Makeup Shayla collection, in the center of my lip. And then I'm going to use one of their lip glosses in Tight Fit on top of that. This one is like peachy, pinky with glitter inside of it. That's why I said get a darker lip liner, because once you try to blend it in, like, it kind of gets lost. So I'm gonna try to add some more. Well, yeah guys, I think that's it. I think I did my whole face. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else left to do. Well, there you have it guys. This is a full face of Colourpop, and I love it. Well, I always love it, because if you watch any of my other tutorials, I always have Colourpop in my videos. and I look pretty beat if I do say so myself. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Please let me know down below what are your favorite products from Colourpop, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Colourpop.